What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn your first dollar online today in 2019. I'm actually going to share with you 3 easy ways on how you can do that. So all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, internet marketing related tips and much more on a consistent basis, and hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so this is going to be a quick one. Make sure you watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information on how to earn your first dollar online today. And as I said exactly, this is to get you started to earn your first dollar. So you're probably not going to get rich with this kind of opportunities I'm going to share with you here today. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. But we save that for the end of this video because for now we want to get started to earn our first dollar online, and we want to do it today. Let's get started. Alright, so the first site that we're going to have a look at today here is actually treasuretrooper.com. So this is how it looks when we arrive to the site. And we can clearly see here that we already have 4 different ways actually how to make money here. First is by completing offers, fill out forms, sample products, make money, performing searches, complete tasks and get paid cash for it all. There are over 3,000 in offers, $3,000 in offers. Next one is taking paid surveys here. You take 8 daily cash surveys available every day worth up to $1 each. How cool is that? Visit our unique survey panel for dozens of extra paid survey opportunities. Another thing is you can be rewarded for playing mini games for pearls, discover games, find gold coins and trade them in for bonus prizes. So having fun and making money here is really an awesome way also. And the 4th method is actually referring a friend. So tell your friends and receive 20% what they earn and 5% from your second level referrals. How cool is that? Okay. So by having a quick look here on how it works, you can see here, Treasure Trooper is a free service that provides you with several money-making opportunities. Simply register by providing your name, email address, password and payment information, and you receive a confirmation email shortly after. So you can see here, complete some offers. We have 100 of offers ranging in payout from 50 cents to $50. Most of them are completely free. Once you completed an offer, click the corresponding done button to indicate its completion. The offer will then be added to your pending offers page. Okay, so you can have a look actually at the details here. There's no need for me to read it through at your own pace here, but you can clearly see that this is a perfect way to get started to actually make your first dollar online here today. Okay, so there is the community section, goodies, skeptic center for those who are skeptical to this. You can have a look at everything here at treasuretrooper.com. Alright, let's move on. There is another site also that came up into my mind here that you can make some quick money with. Actually, one of the sites that I started many years back was ClickCents. It's been live for I don't know how many years, but it's been I think well over a decade, because it must have been a decade since I started with ClickCents and tested it out. And you make money here with paid surveys, cash offers, figure 8 tasks, and of course there is a referral program also here. So I'm not going to open anything. There is FAQ affiliates. This is a very well established site. Has been around for many years, so it's a sure bet actually to get started to make some money with this. Alright, another opportunity that you can do is actually go to microworkers.com. You sign up for an account, and you can see here that there is different small tasks that you can do, and you can make some money with it. This is super easy, and there is also many tasks available daily here. So a quick example here. They want you to go to YouTube, search for something, a keyword, watch, like, and comment, subscribe. You take a screenshot of that, and you have made 12 cents. So 10 of those you are up to $1.20. But you can see here there are other opportunities. Take photos, a person in tight clothes, you make $1.50. Here is actually $3. Use a smartphone to record a downloaded video playing. I don't know the details here, but you can have a look at it by just signing up here. So really, no excuses, just sign up here, go to micro workers. You can do tons of opportunities here and actually make a lot more than your first dollar online here as soon as today. Okay, microworkers.com. Go ahead, make sure, create your account and get started as soon as possible. And finally, another site also that came up into my mind here is FeaturePoints. FeaturePoints, you get actually rewarded, make money and earn rewards on your phone. So this is for phone, both available on App Store and Google Play, with surveys, cashback and more. So basically you earn cashback here by shopping at your favorite stores. You earn hundreds of dollars in cashback. And it's not only that, but you can actually complete surveys here also. But another cool thing is that you can download apps. So you try free games and apps to earn points. Just try the app for a few minutes and you'll be credited. Of course, there is also a referral program, and it's a pretty good one also, because you get paid up to 50% every time your friends earn points. For life here. Okay, so lifetime referral commissions here, also very nice. And of course, you redeem your points for awesome rewards here with Amazon gift cards, PayPal, and PlayStation, Starbucks, and so on. I would definitely prefer PayPal, to be honest here, but it's up to you. You might want an Amazon card or whatever. So have a look at the details here at featurepoints.com. Alright, so there you have it on how you can earn your first dollar online today in 2019. I'm actually shared with you more than 3 easy ways here, and I can guarantee you if you go to all the sites that I shared with you here, you will definitely make much more than just $1 online today. Keep in mind, as I said, you're probably not going to get rich with this kind of opportunities. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. If you got some value of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. Make sure to subscribe to both my channels that you see here at the end screen. You find 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine and both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related tips and much more. I upload those on a consistent basis. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.